If you're tired of having additional devices in the house, Netgear's latest Orbi router is a 2-inch-1 device, with a built-in cable modem and a router that offers Wi-Fi coverage of up to 4,000 square feet. If you need more coverage for your property, you can also add additional Orbi routers to your configuration, which will provide another 2,000 square feet per satellite. Netgear says the new system's cable modem supports download speeds of up to 1.4 Gbps, while Wi-Fi speeds can reach up to 2.2 Gbps for devices that connect to Wi-Fi in their home network. The device can be controlled through the Orbi application or through Amazon Alexa or the Google Assistant. It may be difficult for Netgear to sell this new product in the US, where people often do not buy modems and, instead, rent them through cable companies. While some cable companies in the United States charge a monthly fee for renting their modem, users who buy a modem like this can avoid those fees.